Welcome. Oh, hold up. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys. Haven't talked to you guys in a while. So beautiful sunny Florida. Beautiful cold water, but it's cold. Hi. Ew, you're so crazy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. So we landed before yesterday, but at the night time. So we flew from Moscow to Helsinki, whatever that city was, to Miami, and from Miami to Orlando. Those just stops were so exhausting, you know, plus me having a little toddler. There they are, my toddler and my sister. Can I talk? No, Bobby. So, you're so cute. Что? А как собачка делает? А как кошечка делает? Мяу. А как бэби плачет? Как бэби плачет? Do you guys make your children help you clean? Cause I do. No, to be honest, he just loves to clean. He loves like sweeping floors, washing floors, and making mess. Hey, can you close that? Cookie? Cause you a toddler. Okay, Valentina. Hi, sister. You playing with your toys?
No, I'm putting them in sleeping mask.
Oh. Interesting. How was your sandwich?
It's amazing.
It got burnt on the bottom.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Yeah.
Just finished eating, and right now I'm cleaning, washing the floors, and the baby helps me to clean as well. Morning, everybody. I'm cooking breakfast right now. My sister is already eating her breakfast. That's for Luca. Everything's separated. And that's how it looked like. The coffee. The baby, the baby, baby, the baby. Drinking kiss, yogurt, the baby, the baby. Oh. Oh, you want to clean the camera? Good. Скажи привет.
Нет.
А сделай муа.
На.
Молодец. А сделай ту-ду. Ту-ду. Ой, hey. Oh, my stomach. А где собака?
Hi, dog.
Bye. Wait, Luca. Luca, come here. This is my sister's nasty room. Let's go. Don't touch it. Oh, you crying? Yeah. Say, mommy just pushed me with her butt by accident, so I fell and I started crying. Yeah. Come. Don't touch the camera. No. Luca! Bro, what are you doing? I need to clean my room. And this one it's making it more difficult for me to do it, so. I just did my makeup. I did very simple. It looks like maybe a lot, but it's not. It's them. I'm making myself some tea. And I'm eating the cookies that our neighbors gave us. And they're really good. I don't know what to vlog, like, all day I'm just cleaning. Chill for a second, because I don't know, I feel dizzy. They're so soft and good. Ah. What are you doing? Wake up in the sky, you can tell me I'm fly. So I'm gonna be eating the leftover chicken with rice that I had. It's hot. So my sister is in my room. She's watching Shane Dawson, one of the conspiracy theories. And I'm here in the kitchen cooking while watching Shane Dawson. Guys, mine is blowing, farting, like everything that he says blows my mind. So we're sitting, we're gonna be eating right now.
Yeah.
What do you hear? No, I hear Laurel.
I'm scared.
Okay. I hear Laurel. Okay.
Yanni.
Okay, listen again. Laurel. Laurel. Laurel.
What does that mean?
I know it's super old, like this whole trend, Laurel, Yanni already passed, but it still blows my mind, people. I just showered Luca and I'm gonna put him in his pajamas. Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Good night, baby. I love you. Drink your milk. Morning. I was cold, so I was sleeping in a sweatshirt. Gotta walk the dog. Hi, baby. Say hi. Oh, so it is raining. And this dog is annoying. You want to go to the bush? You see? He's taking a piss. You kissing? So, our lovely neighbor just brought us some pasta with some garlic bread, and we're gonna be eating, me, my sister, and Luca. Oh, I love you. Guys, they're like, I love you. Kiss. Okay, I'm giving him pasta. Okay, he's hungry. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I'll see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, kiss. Good job.